Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making mouse repellent. So what we'll be using is some Irish Spring soap and chest rub. Very small scent. We will be using Ziploc bags. You know what this thing is. Bowl. And a meat tenderizer. Let's get started. Alright. First thing we gotta do is shred down the cat, get away from my thing. Sorry guys, my cat likes getting in everything. So, we're going to use this. So I like to use a little bit bigger holes. Actually no, this is the one I used. So, I have mice. This is very strong scent. Next batch I do, I kind of like to make it out of Old Spice. Never could stand the smell of that. Two bars will make 4 bags of product. From what I understand from a co-worker and also a boss, he puts this soap in his RV to keep the mice from getting in there. Now, last night while I was getting ready to go to sleep, I heard something running around in the wall, but it had a bloody mouse's back. I put one of these bags near the hole from which it was coming out. Needless to say, when he stuck his nose through that hole near that bag, he scared me. I thought for sure he was going to jump on me. Instead, he turned around, went back down in the hole, went back down into the subfloor. Now you're going to see how much this makes. Makes quite a bit. Instead of using poison, if you have animals, you know, you don't want to make it to where they get into this stuff. I try to go down as low as I can so I don't get my fingers. That should be good. Alright, I'll put this in here. Okay, so now what I need is a butter knife. What we're going to do, let's see, how they did this work. Oh yeah, I fold up this thing here. I'm going to take some of this. And we're going to fold it in. We want this stuff, boy, this really strong. Kind of like making a cake in a way. Except we're making mouse repellent. Yes, I hear you, cat. Okay. So, next, we're going to stack these bags all together. We're going to perforate all these bags. So, now, we're going to need 2 of them for this bowl. And it's all the way through. Then we're just going to fill this up. Make sure that you wash your hands afterwards. You don't want to get this stuff in your eyes. Just 1 bag. It don't take much. Then we're going to close them up. And repeat. I seen a video, and they were just taking soap and cutting it up, and putting it in corners of the house. I going, well, gee, I got a better idea. Now, this stuff I think smells worse than this. I mean, I bought the bars of soap, 2 of them in a pack, and this for $1.25 each. And basically, for the little bit of money that I spent, it makes 8 bags. Now, I have the membrane on the bottom of the trail. It's kind of like a black tarp. So, I do have some holes because something I read that mice, rats, and everything else does not like the smell of cedar. Now, the funny thing is, guys, where that mouse came up through the wall, through the floor, there's a cedar block right there. So evidently they didn't do diddly squat. Cats. Cats and cats and cats. Okay. That's well mixed. So. Put half this bowl in this one. I tell you guys, this stuff is slimy. You too can make this at home. I personally think the Old Spice would be worse, but I don't know. Just have to experiment with it. I get all this goodness in there. There you have it. You got 4 very potent bags of mouse repellent. So, guys, there you have it. For just a few bucks, you can make your own mouse repellent. Like I say, it's like $1.25. So we got what? $2.50, $3.75 plus. Well, here where I bought it in Kentucky, it was 6% sales tax. So basically, under $5, you can have not just 4. I got 8 of these. And the mouse, like I say, he came through the hole, and I had one of these bags about this far away from the hole. He got a whiff of it, boom, he was gone. So, this membrane under the trailer, I got places where I made incisions, and I use this duct tape to seal it up when I put the cedar boards. What I'm going to do after this really bad snowstorm along with ice and sleet, it's just going to be miserable. And I got to drive to work in this shit. When it gets a little warmer, I'm going to go underneath. I'm going to open up the incisions, and I'm going to stick 1 bag in each, especially where I think they're coming in. Now in a mobile home, you got water coming in, you got electric coming in, and you got sewer going out. Then you got where the lines for the heating and air conditioning unit come in. They just get on there and they just crawl up and they come in, and they're inside my house. They're in the subfloor. I don't think they're this far up. I know at least 30 feet of the trailer, they're in the floor. But anyways, that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss a video that I create for you. Smash that like button. YouTube loves it when you do that. And don't forget to share it with your friends. I'll see you here next time. Lynn's Homestead, you have an awesome day. I'm going to get rid of these mice.